In this quick tutorial, we're going to take a look at Efficy CRM. So basically, Efficy CRM basically is a platform all in one. So it's fully compatible with growing businesses, local, flexible, scalable, and actionable. So if we go to products, we can see here that they offer different products. So they have different suites, so we can simply go on and select the ones that we are looking for here. So let me refresh this page. So this one is ideal, so you can manage and control your customer relationship at all levels, so you can talk with them, you can manage payments and much more. Now, if we go back here, in order to get access to their platform, we're gonna have to book a demo. So we're gonna have to, if you want to get access to the CRM, we're gonna have to go with ideal. Simply click on ebook and complete the form and simply wait for the response, and that's it. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.